Thank you for supporting our channel, and if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. It'll do us a great favor if you do it.
Hello, hi everybody. Welcome to our channel Worldtopia. And today you can see we are going to review all the gold spinner that we collected so far, and let's see how they perform against each others. So let's brief describe. So this is our true spinner. We really like it. This is our champion true spinner. It's a stainless. Some of those probably brass. Look at brass, and some the kind probably this one just look just like a gold bar. And this is probably coated gold like metal, and this is majority of brass or stainless, and with a shiny coating. That this one and the true spinners, and this one is a gold bearing from the true spinner as well. So let's see how they compete against each others. So let's get started. We will spin our true spinner first.
The champ.
So the probably 10-second differences between from the beginning to end. So just be mindful that the probably 10-second differences. So the dragon spinner is probably the clone from Ice Beam that they started from Kickstarter. So if you want to buy, please support those Kickstarters. So they are only at $24, even cheaper than the dragon spinner. So if you want to buy it, just go there. I'll put the link there for you.
Description below.
So this is one of the Star spinners. I really like the brand Star. They make a couple of cool spinners, including the teardrops. So look like it's stuck getting rusted here. Not so probably need to clean it. Probably get some sort of the solvent to clean like your doorbell, like your So look at the gold spinners. We stop at 2 minutes, and our Genji's spinners stop at 2 minutes and 10 seconds. So let's take a. So this is probably standard 188 bearing. So the start spinner stop at 2 minutes and goes to 2 minutes and 40 seconds, and same as the dragon spinners, the 6-prong dragon spinner. So this they all are 188 bearing. So this is really cool. So it's also very required.
Yeah.
The Star spinner, they make good spinners, just they don't last long, but it's a good quality spinners. So that's this is made by Sankang. It's very good quality. This is compact. It is typical Sankang bearing that look like it's missing some bearing inside, but this is just standard bearing provided from Sankang. Probably the weight differences make it slower. So we reviewed these guys with smiley faces. I think it's less than $20, but they probably can spin for that probably 4 to 5 minutes. And all of them, oops, the gold bar stop. So this is just look at gold bar, 1 ounce fine gold, 999.9. It's the typical that the toll bar spinner, it wobbles when you flip them. So that's, but it's really, really cool, shiny gold. And this is the one that we really like. You can take it out and you can spin for almost 5 minutes. It's pretty good for less than $20. And this is it's a dragon spinner again. This is kind of cartwheel like. You can remove the arm by the screw, so you probably can put it in different configuration too. You can make it at 2 or 3, depends on what you want.
And it's down to these last 2 gold spinners. And it's actually kind of surprising, the last 2. One of them is a bi-prong spinner, because I rarely ever see those do any good. Usually they're kind of very bad.
So this guy is stop. So this is kind of TIE Fighter spinners. It's a brass. There's wobble, but still you can feel it. All of these are like, some probably loud, some really, really loud. And the dragon spinner, or this ice spin, this is really cool. Look at around it is a rubber band, but please buy it from the Kickstarter or Indiegogo. Well, I'll put a link there. It's only $24 if you want to buy it. And this is another Sankan. I think it's okay that it doesn't spin as long as our original Sankan, but provide a good spin time if you want to use a different design other than the traditional one. So this one is Sankan, this by Star, and I will put a link in the video description section. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
And the true spinner